It's raining. Yeah. We can't go outside and play. I know. But Mommy won't let us when it's raining because she's scared our fur will get all nasty. Well, it probably would, but still I want to go outside. Yeah. At least she lets us get drinks. Yeah. I know. And food. 'Cause I am one hungry rhino. Named Blueberry. Yeah, you should like blueberries. Oh, I do. It's not nice at all. Yeah. Well, we can read. Reading is always fun. Maybe for you. But I really got this new book. And it's just so awesome. Watch. Oh, here we go. It's called Positive Thoughts from Build-A-Bear. I love Build-A-Bear. Yeah. Nice. Well, we can read it. Okay. Or we can watch the new movie that I got. Can I have it? Thank you. Shrek the Third. Oh yeah. Would you rather watch a movie or read? I'd rather read. It's better for your eyes. Fine. We'll read and then we can watch the movie. But if it stops raining in between, we can go outside and play. Okay, sounds good to me.